To send money from PayPal to Zelle, you need to have accounts with both services. First, ensure your PayPal account is active and has sufficient funds. Next, link your bank account to your Zelle account, as this is the primary way Zelle facilitates transactions. Start by logging into your PayPal account and navigating to the summary page. Click on Transfer Money and then select Transfer to your bank. Choose the bank account linked to your Zelle account and enter the amount you want to transfer. Review the details and confirm the transfer. PayPal typically takes 1 to 3 business days to process the transfer, depending on the type of transfer you choose. Once the funds are in your bank account, you can use Zelle to send money to others. Log into your Zelle account, select Send, and enter the recipient's email address or phone number. Enter the amount you want to send and add a memo if desired. Review the details and confirm the transaction. The recipient will receive the funds directly into their bank account, usually within minutes. To expedite the process, consider using PayPal's Instant Transfer feature, which can transfer funds to your bank account in minutes for a small fee. Keep in mind that Zelle has transaction limits, so be sure to check those before sending money. By following these steps, you can seamlessly send money from PayPal to Zelle, taking advantage of the convenience and speed of both services. Always review transaction details carefully and understand any applicable fees before confirming transfers.